When I was playing pro hockey, there was never a real focus on nutrition. And I think back, if I was able to do some of that, I would have had a different energy, a different mindset. And really, if I knew then what I know now, it would have been a game changer.
When I had my first son, I gained a substantial amount of weight. It gave me a really, negative body image. I needed to get back to who I was before that.
Nicole and I were high school sweethearts. We had a really strong bond, and we've grown up together. But, with the demands of my corporate job and the long hours, it was really, we were growing apart.
Sean was not available. He was working for us, for our family. We decided together it would be our best opportunity to really get ahead. I just remember him being in hotel rooms, or eating dinner alone. He would do anything to be there with us.
It was hard because every time I left for the week of work, my daughter would be crying.
I had 2 teenagers, 2 surprise little babies back to back, 15 months apart. I looked at myself in the mirror and I didn't even know who I was. Because I wasn't there, right? I was dying inside. Yeah, we were surviving, but we were not thriving.
Oh, I will tell you, most healthcare professionals are skeptical. As a chiropractor for 25 years, I was trying to look for a nutrition program that I'd be able to help my clients with in their lifestyle. And so I was looking for a system that was simple to use and that people could follow and then get great results.
As a personal trainer and athlete, you're pitched a lot of different product lines with a lot of quick fixes and promises. And so I was open, but really wanted to do my research. If I'm going to put something in my own body and recommend it to my clients and introduce my family to it, I want to make sure it's the highest quality.
I started using the products because I had no choice. The products that showed up at home, and when you're married to a kinesiologist and a trainer, you just have no choice but just get on the program. I always loved the products, but I was just highly skeptical of the business model. So it took me a number of years to realize that this wasn't just a hobby, this is a real profession.
So I knew about Isagenix because my husband had been on it for 4 years. I saw how it was working for him. It was really managing his stress levels.
My grandma saw me struggling, and she reached out and told me about the products that she was using. And she's 85. She looks phenomenal for her age. She's got 60 plus years of nutritional experience, and she's, so passionate about nutrition. How could I really say no?
I just remember getting really emotional because I didn't realize how good it felt to feel that good again. There's nothing that can replace that.
I remember Chad looked at me and he said, whatever you're doing, Erin, keep doing it because, I got my wife back now.
I was slowly intrigued. I was kind of wondering, learning a little bit about the products, and I finally tried it. It was after Sunday hockey. Those products got me back into that mindset of how important nutrition and working out was. I was moving quicker. I felt like I was more honed in on the puck. I kick myself now that I didn't do it before because, when I was playing pro hockey, that's what I needed.
Chad and I both coach minor sports, and we are so passionate about showing our athletes, both on and off the floor, the ice, the court, proper nutrition and how that can affect their lifestyle and how that can affect their overall body image. And that stays with them forever.
When I started, you have to understand, I could barely get off the couch. I was so exhausted. And I just truly wanted to put the products themselves to the test. I made a decision right then and there that I was going to join the IsaBody Challenge. It forced me to just reach for a level I never even thought possible in the past. But to be able to be called as one of the finalists, it was huge. I was 40 years old. My identity was forever changed. I've never gone back to what I used to be.
What's amazing is that we've been able to grow a global business from a small island in British Columbia. And I realized that Isagenix was a solution to the problem that we had.
The fact that I have this a passion and purpose to wake up to every single day, I feel so blessed to have that.
The Isagenix R&D team is world class. I have no hesitation in recommending this to anyone.
You either grow together or you grow apart. I'm proud to say that we're growing together as a family, and I'm proud to say that we're a part of Isagenix.
I retired from my teaching job at 31 so I could stay home with my kids. It's so important to know that there's options like that out there. And, you know, if we can change one family's life, like Isagenix has changed ours, we're winning.